We bring in Craig Erlam, Senior Market Analyst at Oanda, and he joins us by telephone from London. Craig, we've seen a great rally. The financials are doubling what the markets are doing, and they're up in double digits as far as percentage terms. We're expecting a rate hike here next week. Your thoughts?
I think it's very interesting that the markets are still moving higher despite the fact that rate hike expectations are growing. It shows how much faith it would appear that investors have in the fiscal stimulus plan from Donald Trump. I think that's going to be a major factor in this rally, and the fact that we are seeing these indices push to new record highs despite the fact that we're expecting a rate hike next week and probably a couple more next year, I think it's a major positive for the market. This is a market that has repeatedly been spooked by the prospect of tightening monetary policy in recent years, and it seems that we're moving beyond that.
Yeah, and we have to see how many rate hikes we get in 2017. Speaking of central banks, what do you expect from the European Central Bank and the news conference from Mario Draghi today?
I think they will look to extend the quantitative easing program. I'm hoping that they won't look to taper back the amount of purchases, because I think that could really spook the market. I think it's already underachieving in terms of its inflation goal, so it's the wrong time to be looking to reduce the amount of stimulus it's providing. But I do think they are going to maybe tread a relatively hawkish tone and maybe even mention the prospect that they could consider tapering somewhere down the line. They could maybe suggest that they are confident in the inflation and the economic outlook and things are improving, and look for more along the lines of that direction, because ultimately this QE program can't last forever, and I think the ECB is already reaching the extent of what it can actually do.
You mentioned that it's a Trump rally, not just the fact that rates are going up, which is good for the financials, but a Trump rally. Can you elaborate on that?
Yes, I mean, I think there's obviously a number of factors that people are concerned about with Trump, but also there is a lot of positives as well. And
do you think it continues? Do you think it continues?
Is the fact. I think it does, as long as he delivers on the fiscal stimulus package, because this is something that's completely missed from the economic recovery until now.
All right, meaning tax cuts and the like. All right, Craig Erlam, Senior Market Analyst, Oanda in London. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.